Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thanks to my honorable teacher, engineer MD Masud Rehan sir, who gave me a chance to create this kinds of presentation in this situation. Welcome to my presentation. My name is MD Mujibur Rahman Khan, ID 192235705, Department of Textile Engineering, Section B. Next, submitted to, submitted by. Next, today I will try my best to discuss on about state the measurement of fiber quality parameters. Next, firstly I would try my best define the fiber quality. Fiber quality is a term which may be used to express a variety of different fibers properties, but to the spinner it has usually only one of the three following meanings. The quality of the yarns which can be spun from the fiber, the edge with which the fiber may be processed into yarn, and the amount of yarn which can be processed. Next, how is yarn strength measured? Standard measurement of yarn strength is executed on a gauge length of 500 mm. Clamped yarn breaks in its weakest place. It is therefore important to measure the strength of 50 mm short links and to break the on after another lengthwise along the yarn. Next, calculate fiber quality. Fiber quality index is a useful tool for the textile industry which relates fiber parameters based on HBI result. FQI equal fiber strength into length into uniformity index divided finance, and can be used to determine the technological value of cotton. Next, now I will try my best to describe some fiber quality parameters. Number 1, fiber finance. Number 2, fiber length. Number 3, fiber uniformity. Number 4, fiber elongation. Now we can see a graph which are represent fiber finance graph. Let's Fiber finance is one of the most important fiber characteristics. The fiber finance determines how many fibers are present in the cross section of a yarn of given thickness. Minimum 30 fibers are needed in the yarn cross section, but there are usually 100. Fiber length is critical in a processing of fibers and yarns and in the translation of fiber strength to yarn strength. In general, a longer fiber length is preferred. Textile fiber are either staple or filament length. Staple fibers range from 2 to 46 cm. Filament fibers are of infinite length. Next, now we can see a graph which are represent fiber length. Let's Fiber length is the average length of the longer half of the fibers. It is reported in both hundreds and 32 inches of the inch. Fiber length is measured by passing a thread of parallel fibers through an optical sewing point. Next, fiber uniformity. Uniformity means the evenness of the individual fibers in its length and diameter. A fiber possessing this property can produce reasonably even yarns. This is also important in connection with the strength of the resulting yarn. Uniform textile fibers should possess uniformity in their thickness and length. Next, now we can see a graph which represent fiber elongation. Let's Elongation is specified as a percentage of the starting length. The elastic elongation is a decisive important since textile products without elasticity would hardly be a usable They must be able to deform and also return to shape. The fiber elongation should therefore be at least on to 2% and preferably slightly more. Next, thank you sir, thank you everybody.